In today's video, I'm going to teach you insert a bookmark in Google Docs. By the end, you'll know exactly how to mark a spot in your document so you, your collaborators, or your readers can jump back to it instantly. Bookmarks are perfect for long reports, project docs, or any file where you want quick navigation without changing your document's formatting. Start by opening your document and deciding precisely where you want people to land. Place your cursor by clicking exactly at that location. If you want the jump to stop above a title or section header, click just before the first character of that heading. If you want it inside a paragraph, click between the exact letters where the jump should occur. Take a second to be precise here, because the bookmark will anchor to that exact cursor position. Next, go to the top toolbar and click Insert. This opens a menu of tools you can add to your document. You'll see options for things like images, tables, and links. What we want is the option that marks a destination without adding any visible content to your page from that drop-down menu. Choose Bookmark. The moment you select it, Google Docs adds an invisible anchor at your cursor's location. You are not adding text or symbols to the page itself, you are adding a reference point that you can link to later. To confirm it worked, look at the left margin of your document. You'll see a small blue bookmark icon appear next to the line where you placed your cursor. That's your visual cue that the bookmark is active. It won't print and it won't appear to your readers in the exported PDF. It's simply there to help you navigate and link inside the document. If you don't see it right away, try scrolling just a bit or zooming in. The icon can be subtle. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure you have editing access to the document if you are in view-only mode. The bookmark option may be unavailable. Be intentional about placement so links land where you expect. Know that bookmarks don't alter the text layout, so they're safe to use anywhere in your main document content. And remember, the blue icon in the margin is just your helper, your readers won't see it on the page. That's all there is to it. Click where you want the destination. Go to Insert. Choose Bookmark, and look for the blue icon in the margin to confirm. Thanks for watching.